Hi guys, good afternoon. Is it afternoon? No, it's morning. Good morning, you guys. Andy is leaving. Well, not leaving. Andy is moving to. Well, not moving. Andy is going to Turkey to work. So he's resuming in April. So we've got a few weeks to go, and he will leave. I'm not happy about it, but yeah, it's fine. So it's a rotation job on and off. So at least we know that in those 2 weeks we'll be able to travel and go to different places, and yeah, and have 2 weeks together. And also I'll be able to go to Turkey anyway, so it's not like I can't really go. It's because of my visa. I can't leave the UK for too long, else it will affect my visa. So yeah, so that's it. So in between I'll probably be going to Nigeria and back, and go to Spain and back, and go to Turkey and back, so, and probably other countries. I'm planning to go to Kenya, Ghana, Wales, Mexico. But yeah, that's the updates. I just thought to let you guys know. This is still. And yeah, so we're selling this car. Andy really didn't want to buy this car, so he bought this car for me for when I start driving, so I can start driving it. But I couldn't get my license before, because every time I submit to get a provisional license, it's one issue or the other. Maybe we're out of town, out of the country, and I need to submit my BRP, so I couldn't really get a provisional license to start my process with getting a license, so I could go do the test and stuff. And he's leaving now, so it's a must that I get my driver's license, because if it's not here, nobody would drive me. Yeah, so that's what's going on. So we're selling this Mercedes. We're buying a cheaper one. This Mercedes is quite expensive. So because I'm new to driving in the UK, we want to get a cheaper car, so at least if I get bumps, if I get crashed, it'll be okay. So we're probably going to, I don't know yet, but we saw some Mercedes that I like, so at least probably going to get either one of those Mercedes for me or another car, I don't know. So we're selling this one and we're going to buy a cheaper car, because yeah, I'm a learner in the UK. Let me not go and be scratching car of how much every time. So yeah, that's the update basically. Where did you get sausage wrap? Oh, and she's sweet. It's cold though.
It's not cold, I've only just brought it.
Thank you, my baby. Anyways, guys, I'll see you later. Hi, my love. So I'm going to buy food. Is it open? Told you. Let's
10
check.
o'clock, baby.
Okay. Let's check there. No, I'm not buying black plantain again. No, we have to go to the Nigerian shop.
Okay.
We have to go to the Nigerian shop. Let me call them. No, seller.
Okay.
Something seller. Yeah, that's it.
You get 2.
For when? For when you leave.
You want 2 or not? Shall we get 2 or not?
How much is it?
16 quid. 17 quid.
Oh, special price. Okay, got 2 then.
Anything else?
Not here. Can I get the card so I can go to the Nigerian shop? It's not. Hi, loves. Good afternoon. Or good evening. Yeah.
Don't let it go.
Good evening. No, good afternoon. It's afternoon. How you doing? So we are out here car shopping. We just arrived at the car shop and I thought, why not vlog? yeah, so I'll be vlogging this today. It's not open though.
Yeah, it stood here when we were driving.
This car is nice.
Hey?
This Audi looks clean and small. 14,000, no way. No way. Oh, boy, it looks like the sort of car I like.
Hatchback, baby. Nothing wrong with hatchback.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not bad. But it's too expensive. 14,000. Oh, see the Mercedes.
2015.
I don't like the front though.
Range Rover.
No. I think there's a Mercedes on that side. The red one. Is that not? Okay, no. It's too big. It's an SUV. Yeah, it's too big. It's too big. Jeez. Hey, my loves. So we left the first place we went to because we didn't really see. Well, I didn't really see. I need to take out my seatbelt.
We saw something really nice, but somebody didn't like it.
My skin is not skinning today. I didn't really see anything I like, really. Well, I saw one that I like, but it's too expensive, so nah, not getting it. So we are currently at another car shop. Let's see if we'll get something for me. Let's see this Siaks then. Baby, you saw the Siaks then? Let's see it. It is so windy today. Wow, expensive cars. There's a Mercedes there, baby. The silver one.
That's the same one.
Okay. Hey people. So we left the last one we just been to, and we are currently at another shop. The last one we just left, or the one we just left, it's so expensive. The cars are so expensive. Like, why? And they're mostly manual cars anyway. Like, literally 95% of the cars there, if possible 99%, are manual cars. But this place we've just been to has got loads of Audis, and I'm not really a fan of Audis. But let's see what they have. This car, what year is this, baby? This car. Huh? It's not, and it's manual.
Is it? Sure.
Yeah. That's the sort of car I like. Small, portable.
I showed you about 10 of them last night. You said you
No,
could take them.
they didn't look like that.
They did.
That one looks small.
All Audi TTs look like that. You look down here.
Seems all these car shops in Gainesville, Scunthorpe are just manual. I don't like this one though. Let's see. Manual. How? You mean you press the key? It's not that. Looks like a box. Tagged. Color is not very nice. Color is not very nice. Oh, this is cute. Wait. Do not touch. Do not sit in the vehicle. There's no bin here anyway. I can't see it.
Well, of course you can. You have to move your legs.
How can you see it though?
Because I saw it when we came down.
Guys, good morning. So it is another day, and it's Saturday actually, and we are out to look for cars for me, specifically Mercedes A-Class. So yeah, that's what we're out to do, and we're going in a van because we want to trade in, or whatever they call it. Yeah, we want to sell the van and get the add the money to the Mercedes. So that's what we're doing. So yeah, we're buying a car for me because Andy is going to Turkey, and the car we have now, the Mercedes, is very expensive. I'm not used to driving in the UK yet, so Andy does not want to risk me driving that expensive car. So yeah, so we're selling that to buy a smaller one, maybe, because the one we have now I think is a 2022 Mercedes A-Class. So we're going for maybe 2014, 2015, 2016, thereabouts. So we're selling this one because normally it was fine, because I mean, when I start driving, or the plan was when I start driving, Andy would definitely be around, and he would always be with me when I drive until I'm very good to drive on the road. But now it won't. So we need to get a car that it will be so relaxed when I'm driving it. So that's the whole idea. What's that, baby?
That's the registration document for this.
Okay. So come with us to look for my new car. We're going to Leeds now. So funny, babe. Wakefield. I thought it's Leeds.
Wakefield.
But one of them said it's in Leeds.
But this one you just give me the postcode for is Wakefield.
Because but that's the one that told us it's at Leeds, though. Anyways, guys, see you later, okay? We are stopping at Costa for breakfast. Love me a Costa breakfast. Tuna.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. We just arrived at a a car shop in Leeds. The first one we wanted to go see was not a car shop, or it's not a car shop, so we left there. We didn't do that. We got there and we realized that it's not a car shop, so we're now at a proper car shop, and we're here to look at a Mercedes. Yeah, maybe that one is expensive. It's like 17,000. But I like it because it's small. I like small cars, really. Oh, this is nice.
Was that a red one?
Yeah, I think.
Hey?
Yeah, I think. Oh, it's clean inside though. What's the miles?
54. So, what do you want to do? Can I speak to him? You want to get him?
Yeah.
It's going to be for you. Is that how you take?
Yeah. It's actually key start.
Hey?
Key start. First,
Okay.
let me try to adjust this seat.
There's a Renault engine, is that it?
That's it.
Yeah.
It's too big.
It's too what? Then you pull the front seat forward.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Joy, and Joyce here, and I'm glad to have you here. And I've got my husband here. We're going to look at another car. We finally sold our Mercedes. Now we're going to look for another Mercedes, a cheaper one, or a lesser price than the one we had before. Yeah, I just thought to update you guys and take you guys along, since I've been vlogging before when we started looking for a car. But yeah, that's the updates. Catch you later. Bye. Hey guys, so we just arrived. It is a Kia place. There's loads of Kia here. Well, the car we're looking at is a Merc.
Ignore the price.
Yeah, you're right.
Hi, yeah. There we go. You know the one we had has got those silver thing on here. They had those silver thing on here.
Yeah. What does that mean?
That one is nice. It looks big. What year is it?
2017.
So why does it still have a key starting?
Some of them do, baby.
I need to. How do I? Good afternoon. So we're out again, another day. Today is Friday. We went out yesterday to look at one car, and we're out again today to look at another car. Well, quick short story. So the Mercedes we looked at yesterday, I liked it. I really did like it. But the problem is, it was too big. So literally the car is for me, and I sat in that car and I wasn't really seeing my front. I wasn't even seeing the bonnet. It is the same A series as we had before, just the one we had before was 2021. The one that we saw yesterday was 2017. Yeah. But the bonnet, the dashboard was a bit bigger and higher. And the guy said yes, the dashboard is different from the 2021. So, it was just big. I couldn't see the bonnet of the car. It was just, so I liked it. It was clean, it was new, it was nice, but just wasn't for me because it was too big. So we didn't get that one. We were ready to pay for that one yesterday, but we didn't get that. So we're here again to look at a Mercedes C-Class. White, and the interior is to die for. Well, from the pictures we saw, the interiors is just so cute. So we're here to look at it, and they've actually got lots of cars here, so we might probably be buying a car today. Fingers crossed. Andy has gone inside to speak to them because he booked an appointment with them to see for 3 o'clock. So he's gone inside to speak with them, and if it's good to go, I'll come see the car. And if not, we'll check other cars. They've got Mercedes, they've got BMW, so they've got a lot of other cars here. And also, Andy has decided that if I do not like this Mercedes, he's going to buy a really cheap car for himself that I would use to drive until I get my license, until I pass my test. And then when I pass my test, then he can buy me the car that I want. Let's see what happens. And yes, I got my provisional license. Yeah, I think I got it the day before yesterday. So good news. So I can drive with someone in the car. So if I do my test, I'll be driving and stuff. All right, later. Troubles come and my heart burning. Oh, welcome to Casa. Where? Oh yeah. It don't look too big. Oh, the interior.
Yeah.
The interior is stunning. I thought Andy said it's got heated seats. Does it? Okay, that's it. This is the heated seats.
I love the interior.
In half a mile, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Granite Lane.
So third exit.
Yeah.